Hey guys, this is Calculus Family. In this lesson, I have an interesting integral for us to simplify. You think you've mastered calculus? Wait, let's solve this and see if you could have gotten it. The solution, you have integral. This is an indefinite integral of 1 out of the expression x squared multiplying x to the power 4 plus 1 all to the power 3 out of 4 dx. The best approach to this problem is using substitution. But the problem is, anytime you want to do substitution, you need to make sure that when you differentiate the highest power, you should be able to cancel the lower power. This is 4. When I differentiate, becomes s cubed, right? Then meaning this x squared will not go away. It's a problem. So how do we do? We use something we call a Putnam style integrating. And for this type of integration, factorize x to get just a single x outside there. So here, what do? We are simply going to factorize x to the power 4 outside, okay? So I'm going to have something like integral 1 out of, so the s squared is there. Then I want to factorize x to the power 4 here. So I'll simply have open brackets x to the power 4, right? It's still within the power 3 out of 4, okay? X to the power 4, open brackets 1 plus x to the power negative 4, right? Good. Then I'll have my bracket close 3 out of 4, close the x. So what do I do next? So let's check something. At this point, I need to remove this from this, the effect of this, right? So what do? Remember that I'm simply going to have integral 1 out of the expression s squared. Then this is x to the power 4 multiplying 3 out of 4, right? Close bracket 1 plus x to the power minus 4 all to the power 3 out of 4 x. Then at this point, realize 4 cancel 4. I get s cubed, right? So it becomes integral 1 out of s to the power 5, 1 plus x to the power negative 4, 3 out of 4 dx. So what happens is I'm going to push my x to the power 5 up. So this is the same as integral x to the power negative 5 over the expression 1 plus x to the power negative 3 out of 4 x, right? So what do? You do your substitution. So let's u be equal to 1 plus x to the power negative 4, which I have down here, right? So therefore, the over the x it gives us negative x to the power negative 4 x, right? To the power negative, right? So once you have this, then we've got to convert the x to u, right? So we need to make x a subject. So the x is simply going to be what? 1 out of negative 1 out of 4, right? X to the power negative, like this. We put this one down. So when you come back, what do? You have an integral x to the power negative 5 over the expression, this, right? The power 3 out of 4. Then the x is now this expression times negative 1 out of 4 x to the power negative 5, so that this simply cancels this out. Have integral negative 1 out of e. So negative 4. So this 4 is become u to the power 3 out of 4. I think at this point it's a little bit clearer, right? If I have integral negative 1 out of 4, 3 out of 4, I'll simply push coefficient out. So negative 1 out of 4 will stand out. Integral 1 out of u to the power 3 out of 4. What happens? Is the same as u to the power negative out of 4. I'll simply add 1 to it. That's going to give, so this plus 1 becomes 4. 1 out of 4, right? Have u to the power 1 out divided by 1 out of, that gives us 4u 1 out of 4. Then this 4u 1 out of 4 will come and multiply back to the constant here. So negative 1 out of 4 times 4, 4u 1 out of 4 here. Then away. So simply gives us negative u 1 out of 4 plus c. What is u? U was 1 plus x to the power negative, right? So we simply have negative 1 plus x to the power negative the power 1 out of plus c. That is all I have for you. Subscribe and please share the video.